Are you passionate about woodworking? Do you want to explore modern woodcutting technology? At Woodcut Tech, we bring you advanced cutting techniques, useful tips, and inspiring creative projects. Join us in discovering the world of precision cuts and turning ideas into reality. This homemade wood splitter is both powerful and intelligent, capable of handling large logs like yard birch. The dual pump system and electric valve allow seamless switching between high speed 3 tons and strong force 9 tons. With adjustable pressure, you can customize the firewood size to suit your needs. The machine's blade is a 48-inch serrated blade, purchased at an auction. Initially, the mill had only 2 head blocks, but a third was added from a transport unit. Heavier dogs were also custom-made to replace the original ones. The machine is powered by an early 1950s Oliver 88 tractor. The Komatsu 951XC, combined with the C164 cutting head, is a powerful duo in forestry operations. With its flexible design and advanced technology, it efficiently handles large trees with speed and precision. Its balanced system ensures stable operation even on challenging terrain. This maximizes harvesting productivity while minimizing environmental impact. A manual log splitter is a perfect blend of smart engineering and human strength. Without the need for a motor or fuel, it relies on a simple yet effective mechanism, embodying the spirit of traditional labor in a modern, durable design. The 16-horsepower 459cc petrol log splitter with a 22 GPM 2-stage pump delivers high performance. The PME splitter model features an elevator, disc cleaner, and powered in-feed ring lifter, ensuring fast and efficient wood processing. It is an ideal choice for professional logging operations. Valmet 62, paired with the MOA MH1-121 crane, forms a powerhouse ready to tackle the toughest terrains. The 620's Sisu diesel engine delivers reliable strength, while MOA's four-wheel drive and K50 grapple ensure maximum grip and reach. This combination excels in snowy or rugged conditions, enhancing efficiency and durability in forestry operations. This is the Easton-made 48C, a top-tier log splitter that leaves weaker machines in the dust. With an incredibly powerful blade, it processes wood quickly and efficiently. Just feed in a log, and within seconds, you have firewood ready to go. Don't be the last one without this beast. The PTH1 1201 1000-man petrol drum chipper is the ideal choice for large-scale wood processing. Powered by a robust Caterpillar C18 engine delivering 800 horsepower, it offers outstanding performance and reliability. Its durable design and advanced technology ensure long-lasting operation, even in the most demanding work conditions. The 1983 firewood processor operates reliably, cutting and splitting birch logs with precision. Supported by a conveyor and drying system, it perfectly combines classic durability with modern efficiency. The X70 1.8T excavator, equipped with a large circular saw blade, powerfully cuts through massive logs. Its sturdy design and high performance optimize the wood processing process. This is an ideal choice for large-scale logging and timber production. The Posh Spaltax 10 Special Turbo Hydraulic Log Splitter with a 10-ton splitting force can handle an oak log measuring 50 by 100 centimeters. Thanks to its turbo mechanism, the machine operates quickly and efficiently, speeding up the splitting process. However, for hard oak with many knots, pre-splitting may be needed to optimize performance. This is a powerful choice for those who need fast and precise log splitting. The MAN TGX 3356 truck is equipped with a specialized grapple, making it easy to transport long logs. With a powerful 560 horsepower engine and a sturdy chassis, the truck operates stably on all terrains. Its flexible hydraulic grapple enables quick and safe loading and unloading of logs. This is an ideal choice for the forestry and large-scale timber transport industry. This homemade firewood processor turns the traditionally complex task of splitting wood into a fast and efficient process. With wedge-shaped knives, round knives, and screw splitters, it can handle everything from solid oak to the toughest resin-rich logs. Powerful yet precise, this machine feels like having a skilled carpenter in your backyard. In just 12 minutes, you'll have enough firewood to stay warm all winter. The Carlton 725TRX stump grinder, with its powerful engine and tracked system, quickly removes stumps on any terrain. Its sharp-sharpening blades and flexible mechanism grind even the toughest stumps in minutes, delivering high efficiency and exceptional durability. Have you ever seen a tree stump crushing machine in action? TMC Canella, with a power range of 150 to 300 HP, can grind over 3 feet of wood or soil in just a few seconds. The sight of massive chunks disappearing into its grinding mechanism is truly mesmerizing. Not only powerful, but it also helps restore soil, paving the way for abundant harvests. The Trimmer Giraffe is an all-terrain tree trimming machine with specialized wheels and a flexible cutting arm, ensuring safe and precise operation. It moves effortlessly across various terrains, making it ideal for clearing branches, opening roads, and maintaining power lines. The Halverson HWP1 140B is a powerful and durable firewood processor with superior hydraulics, transforming the tough job of splitting wood into an effortless and enjoyable experience. Easy to operate and highly efficient, it helps you save time on labor and spend more moments by the warm fire. Feel the ultimate thrill as this snowmobile tears through icy trails at lightning speed. Equipped with a powerful 550cc engine and wide skis, it effortlessly conquers snowy terrain while hauling gear with ease. Winter isn't just for watching. Get ready to conquer the frozen wilds.
Aika rauhallisesti meni alastumista.
In Pakistan, matchstick manufacturing factories operate busily, producing millions of matches daily for domestic use and export. Through an automated process, wood is cut, treated with moisture-resistant chemicals, and dipped into a flammable mixture. These tiny matchsticks play a crucial role in everyday life. This industry not only creates jobs, but also contributes to the local economy. The Sherwood 32C is a groundbreaking machine in the timber industry, delivering absolute precision for each log, ranging from 180 millimeters to 320 millimeters in diameter. Beyond flawless milling, it also creates a precise longitudinal groove, ensuring perfect stacking for log cabin construction. With advanced design and exceptional performance, the Sherwood 32C makes wood processing faster, more precise, and more efficient than ever. For decades, this vintage steam-powered sawmill has tirelessly transformed raw logs into high-quality building materials. With its classic steam engine, powerful saw blades cut through wood fibers while preserving their strength and natural beauty. More than just a sawmill, it stands as a symbol of resilience and traditional craftsmanship in the timber industry.
The sawyer and carriage setter load a The sawyer directs the cutting pattern to maximize the lumber of
Skilled woodworkers not only master techniques, but also possess an artistic vision and deep respect for every grain of wood. They breathe life into the material, transforming it into timeless creations. Each carved detail tells a story of craftsmanship and passion. The Saw-Quip Log Ripper 1800mm saw, mounted on a 25-case excavator, is a powerful machine designed for cutting large logs like red gum into firewood. With its sharp blade and high performance, it can efficiently handle tough hardwood logs with speed and precision. This is an ideal solution for large-scale wood processing, saving both time and effort. With a 36-inch stroke, the SS524 is a powerful log splitter built for large-scale jobs. Its versatile design allows it to attach directly to a skid steer, turning big logs into firewood in seconds. Maximized efficiency, minimized labor. That's the power of the SS524.
What for our boiler here? If you haven't done so,
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support us. See you in the next video, and have a great day.